AGIX continues to hold above the 0.977, which is a very significant key area of support here on the AGIX chart. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a bit of a pullback after an aggressive pump in a move that has now given us an all-time high above the 1.472, in a move that has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And on this video, I will be discussing my short-term and also my long-term price action that I'm expecting to play out in the next coming hours. And zooming out on the charts to first give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis, you can easily see that back in 2022, we saw these significant lows, so much of a consolidation before we saw a breakout move giving us a high above the 0.67. in a move that I'm terming as the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after we topped in the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of this Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas we fully maximized, and that is the area highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. So much of a consolidation within the area before we saw another breakout move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, in a move that has also given us all-time highs. And the minimum target areas for the third wave were given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 1.175, which is an area that we fully maximized and even pushed even higher. And there are high chances that we now have a high in place in the formation of these Elliot wave count 3, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is a bit of a pullback in the formation of these Elliot wave count 4. And the minimum target areas for the fourth wave can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, which is the all-time high, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that is the area between the 0.973 and the 0.816, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. And you can easily see that on the charts we have seen a pullback, and we have almost managed to get into that minimum target area. And there are chances that in the next coming hours, in case we see another pullback in the next coming hours, this is the area that I will be watching out for, because there are high chances that we are going to fully maximize the area, maybe see much of a consolidation within the area before we can see another aggressive breakout in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 5. We also need to have in mind that since we have seen a breakdown move and we have almost managed to get into the target area, there are also chances that we could have a low in place in the formation of these Elliot wave count 4, but it's too early for me to confirm whether we have a low in place. But once we have a low in place, then there are high chances, then in the next coming hours we should start to see another aggressive move in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 5, and the minimum target areas for that Elliot wave count 5 can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the 1.87, which is the minimum that we can expect AGIX to do. And that means that once we start the formation of that wave 3, there are high chances of seeing a $2 AGIX in the next coming hours or maybe days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the AGIX chart for the next coming hours and days. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.